Hello, this is Garamore. This is a toggle latch circuit using an NE555 and a CD4052BE, and only in a single button. On, off, on, off, on, off. And you see it doesn't always work right. Not much to demo there. Here we have the circuit diagram. I forgot to draw the button because you can use any kind of active low input. That's why it's not on the circuit diagram. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Follow me on social media, not on Poshmark. And you can support me by buying from my eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, or Depop. All of those links are in the description. Don't follow me on Poshmark. Don't do it. Goodbye.